California renters and landlords, big news alert. Our boy Governor Newsom passed a new law. About half of his day is spent signing rental legislation. Now, it's a lot to keep up with, but here's the new one. It affects how security deposits must be handled. Number one, you must take before and after photos before you charge anything on the security deposit. So no more just winging it on the move-in inspection. You actually have to take photos of your property and have the photo documentation to back up your charges. Number two is you can't charge automatic cleaning fees like carpet cleaning unless it's absolutely necessary to bring it back to original condition. Number three, if the tenant requests a pre-move out inspection, you must do it and provide an itemized list and only charge for those things on the list. And now they'll start awarding triple damages for people that break this law. So what does this mean for you? If you're a good landlord, you're already probably doing these things. If you're a bad landlord, sorry, you can't use the security deposit anymore to fix up that property. Renters, more protection. Landlords, maybe more disputes. Just another day in California for us. Drop an emoji in the comments. Tell me how you feel about this new law.